Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all over the United States. We help them with so many different types of immigration applications. If you're wondering, if you don't know what immigration is, basically we help people either come to the United States with permission, or people that are already here, we help them get in status. So basically get permission to be here in the United States. Sometimes we're able to help with a green card, or a process or a strategy that can lead to a green card, and then of course US citizenship. We represent both companies and we represent individuals and families. We work with all types of applications, including humanitarian cases like VAWA, if you've heard of that, T visas for victims of trafficking, U visas for victims of crime, and of course we bring families together and help companies conduct their business with the right talent, even if that talent is global. So we help bring them here to the US, or we help them get status here in the US with permission to work for corporations that are sponsoring them. Call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Allison, hello. And this is what I love. I love you guys joining. And say hi if you're joining me for the first time. Thank you for following me, Dharma. I appreciate that reminder to follow us and like us on our social media platforms. Hey, G. And we're on Facebook, on YouTube, and on TikTok. Again, just reminder to follow us, like us, so you can get notified when I go live. If you have friends or family that you would think would be helped by this conversation on immigration, please share this post with them. Remember to share it with them so they can join us maybe this time or even next time to talk about immigration, to learn more about immigration. Immigration is complicated. Immigration is pretty complicated. Awesome, Ju here. Wow, this is great news. So we talk a lot about VAWA, and Ju here, who's joining us from TikTok, said their VAWA is approved. Fantastic, congratulations. And the question was, how long for a green card after VAWA approval? Fantastic. So how long for a green card after VAWA approval? It can be very fast. It could be less than a year, a few months. It has varied. So that range has definitely varied. If you've provided a strong application from the start, it should go faster, right? Because they already have all the evidence that they need. Give us a call if we can help you with your VAWAs, especially VAWAs and green cards, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. We help clients all over the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. All right. We are talking today about T visas. So I want to talk to you about who is eligible for a T visa. So remember that T visas are for victims of trafficking, right? So most of our clients that we do T visas for, they are in the United States. They've had a terrible employment experience. So other folks can also qualify, for T visas. But our most common case type and the clients, the facts that where we apply for a T visa, that someone is here in the United States, they might have come legally or they might have come illegally. They've had a bad employment experience. Their employer has taken advantage of their lack of permission to be in the U.S., right? So they've mistreated them. They felt threatened. They felt they had to stay in this situation. And we are able to use this experience and help them with something called a T visa. So we will report what's going on to the Department of Labor or another government agency, right? So we make that report. Unlike a U visa, you don't need certification. So we don't need the government to certify that it's a qualifying crime or anything like that. We just make the report. We include the proof that we made that report, and then we can apply for that visa. Okay, so I hope that is helpful to you guys. Give us a call. Remember, T visas can lead to green cards, and sometimes they're much faster than something called a U visa for victims of crime. Many times people that qualify for U visas can also qualify for T visas. So you may strategically choose one to apply for over the other because one is a lot faster and can get you a green card even much faster. So give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. We have clients all over the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. You can always reach out to us and we can talk to you about your immigration case. We call that a consultation. So we have that consultation with me. I'm an attorney, and our consultations are completed by phone, by Zoom, or in person. Again, that's phone, Zoom, or in person. What we do during that consultation is we talk about your immigration history, we talk about your goals, and we determine what you are eligible for, right? So once we figure out what you're eligible for, we will then go through the process involved for filing that kind of application, all of the fees involved, both our fees and the government fees involved in filing a particular application type. We talk about timing, any other questions you might have, and many people get started the day of their consultation. So call us if we can help you with your immigration case, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney in Washington, D.C. Our clients are everywhere. They're all over the United States, and we're able to help them with all types of immigration applications. All right, great. And just a reminder, guys, if you want to schedule that consultation, you can do that directly by calling our office. You can call right now, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Or you can go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or you can go on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Schedule directly from any of those places, and I will see you either by phone, Zoom, or in person, and we can talk about your immigration case. We can take those steps to get started. I know it is sometimes scary and you don't know if it's going to work, but the consultation is a great first step to talk about what you might be eligible for and how we can help you to achieve those goals, because having work authorization, having a green card is going to be really life-changing, not just for you, but maybe your family, your kids, your wife, right? So there's many different options for you. Hopefully call us and we can see how we can help. 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. If you like what you're hearing, if this is helpful to you, make sure you like us and follow us on our social media. We're on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And share this with others as well, guys, so they can join us in this immigration conversation as well. All right, so what evidence is required for a T visa, guys? So what evidence is required for a T visa? What evidence is required for a T visa? So we submit what we have. So you don't actually need a ton of evidence, but if you have, the biggest, strongest piece of evidence is an affidavit that we help you draft. So we will do an intake with you, we'll get all the information that we need, and we will draft this affidavit talking about the situation, the labor situation that you've had where your employer did not treat you properly. Some people have other evidence as well, like pay stubs or any kind of proof that you worked at this place. So that can be helpful. If you have friends that are willing to write affidavits, we can use that, but it is not always required, so keep that in mind. Some people believe you need police reports, you need physical proof of physical injuries or anything like that. If you have it, great, but really the strongest piece of evidence that we submit is your affidavit. Okay, call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. We help clients all over the country. Hi, Gil Singh, nice to see you. Thank you for following us. John followed us. Thank you. So lots of folks here following us, liking us. Just another reminder to everyone here on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, hit that follow button or that like button so you can see us more often and you can join in this conversation more often, and share this with others if you think they can also benefit from this. Thank you, Julian, for following us. Thank you, Reshma. All right, perfect. Can family members apply for a T visa, right? So again, we're talking about victims of trafficking, so people that have come here into the United States. Many of them have experienced a bad employment situation where they didn't get paid overtime, where they were treated differently than their peers who did have work authorization in the United States. They worked really long hours. They felt threatened, and they felt like they didn't have a choice and couldn't leave that job for one reason or another. So there is some of those folks can benefit from a T visa, which will give you work authorization, permission to be here, but can also lead to a green card. So that is really huge for many people that have had this experience. So give us a call if we can help you. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C., and we help clients all over the United States with their immigration application. So the question is, with a T visa, can I apply for my family members, right? So can I apply for my family members with a T visa? So if you've had this situation, yes, you can include your spouse, you can include children, parents, any unmarried siblings that are under 18 years old, so they might be able to receive derivative T visas as well, okay? Hope that's helpful to you. Call us for a consultation, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Julian says, how much is a consultation? Fantastic. Great question. Our consultation is $150. We do them by phone, by Zoom, or in person. You can call the office right now and schedule 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page and schedule, or our website and schedule. So you can make the payment, get on my calendar so we have it, and we have our meeting set up so we can start talking about your immigration and how to help you, okay? Their schedule, I should also let you know, Julian, they're scheduled for 30 minutes. So they're scheduled for 30 minutes. If we have, if I don't have anything after, I always can go over, but most of the time we can get through everything we need to in the 30 minutes. And then, of course, we can, answer questions and whatnot by email if we need to afterwards. All right, my case was transferred to a different office. Was that bad or good? My case is transferred to a different office. Is it bad or good? It's neither, actually. So your case can sometimes get transferred just because the other office has more capacity. So they have more people with more time to adjudicate your application. So it's not necessarily bad at all, and it's not necessarily good. So one of the things, if it's a field office that is not experienced with the case type that you are applying for, then I kind of don't like that as much, but it's not a bad thing, and it doesn't mean anything about the merits of your case. Give us a call if we can help you with any of your applications. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C., and our clients are all over the United States. Call us if we can help you with your applications. The best way to get started is to set up a consultation, 703-348-1663. And you can also do that consultation by phone, by Zoom, or in person, okay? Phone, Zoom, or in person. Revelation says, can you file a VAWA case on an ex-spouse if you married a new person? So no. So if you married a new person, you had abuse in that previous marriage, and you otherwise qualify for VAWA, you cannot file for VAWA. You have to be unmarried. You can't be remarried when you apply for a VAWA. Okay, call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. How long does a T visa take to process? About a year, right? So about a year. So it's actually really awesome to do that. Call us if we can help you. All right. After biometrics, how long does it take for a social security number? So after biometrics, how long does it take for a social security number? Remember, first you've had to have applied for one and asked for one. So most people do that on their application for employment authorization. So that's how most people apply for work authorization, okay? And you can get your social security number through that. About 50% of the time we see immigration mail us a social security card, but half the time they don't. So what we say is, once you get your employment authorization document, you can go and get your social security card at the social security office that's local to you. All right. So essentially within a month, you have biometrics, and these approvals come within a month. Give us a call if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C., and our clients are all over the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. Revelation says, and thank you, Revelation, for following us. Just a reminder, guys, follow us and like us so you can see when I come on live again. You can keep in touch with us and see what's going on with immigration. So follow us, like us. A reminder to do that. Share this post with others if you think they can benefit from this conversation. Great. I think I got through most of your questions. Thank you, everyone. I think I have most of my questions answered as well here. So perfect. Well, thank you, everyone. I will be on again. I appreciated everyone joining me today, and I appreciated the questions. I hope you learned something, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.